Deciphering ISF filing for imports intended for research and development. Welcome back to our channel. Today, we will be discussing an important topic related to customs brokerage and importing goods, the applicability of importer security filing, ISF, to goods being imported for research and development purposes. The importer security filing, ISF, also known as the 10+2 rule, is a mandatory requirement by U.S. Customs and Border Protection, CBP, for ocean shipments entering the United States. It collects specific information about the cargo being imported to enhance supply chain security. ISF filing applies to almost all cargo being imported into the United States, regardless of the purpose or nature of the goods. Therefore, goods imported for R&D purposes are subject to ISF filing requirements. Accurate classification of goods is crucial for ISF filing, including goods imported for R&D purposes. Properly classifying the goods according to the Harmonized System (HS) code ensures compliance with customs regulations and helps determine applicable duties and requirements. Importers of goods for R&D purposes must ensure timely ISF filing. The filing should be completed at least 24 hours before the vessel's departure from the port of origin. Failure to meet this deadline can result in penalties and delays in customs clearance. When filing the ISF for goods imported for R&D purposes, importers should be mindful of maintaining the confidentiality of intellectual property. It is important to provide the necessary information for customs purposes without disclosing sensitive R&D details. Importers of goods for R&D should maintain open communication with customs authorities. Collaborating with customs brokers or relevant experts can help ensure compliance with ISF filing requirements while protecting intellectual property and sensitive research information. Importers must maintain appropriate documentation to support the ISF filing for goods imported for R&D purposes. This may include research plans, permits, licenses, or any other documentation required by customs authorities or governing agencies. Certain goods used for R&D purposes may require specific licenses or permits. Importers should ensure compliance with all applicable licensing requirements and include the necessary information in their ISF filings. Importers of goods for R&D purposes must also consider compliance with export control laws. These laws govern the transfer of technology and certain items that have potential security or strategic implications. Understanding and adhering to these laws is crucial for successful ISF filing. Importers of goods for R&D purposes are generally required to have a customs bond. A customs bond acts as a financial guarantee and ensures compliance with customs regulations. It covers potential duties, taxes, or fines and is an essential component of the customs clearance process. When filing the ISF for goods imported for R&D purposes, accuracy in describing the goods is crucial. Clear and precise descriptions help customs authorities assess the cargo and ensure compliance with relevant regulations. Maintaining accurate and complete records is essential for importers of goods for R&D purposes. These records should include ISF filings, commercial invoices, research plans, permits, and any other relevant documentation. These records serve as a reference for compliance monitoring. Importers collaborating with research partners or institutions should ensure clear communication regarding the importation process. This collaboration can help gather accurate information, facilitate compliance, and ensure successful ISF filing. Importers of goods for R&D purposes should also consider compliance with research ethics. This includes obtaining necessary approvals, adhering to ethical guidelines, and conducting research in a responsible and ethical manner. When dealing with goods imported for R&D purposes, it is advisable to have confidentiality agreements in place. These agreements help protect intellectual property and sensitive research information during the customs clearance process. Importer security filing, ISF, applies to goods imported for research and development, R&D purposes. Importers must accurately classify the goods, adhere to customs regulations, maintain proper documentation, and collaborate with customs authorities and research partners to ensure successful ISF filing. Thank you for watching. We hope you found this video informative and gained a better understanding of ISF filing requirements for goods imported for R&D purposes. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more upcoming videos on customs brokerage, customs bond, and other topics related to international trade. See you soon.